So when I was choosing a program of study, I actually considered many programs in different universities in the UK. But what made me choose this particular program is its alignment with my professional direction. I'm a risk management advisor, and a third of my work consists of advising clients on how to avoid or manage risks related to law, to regulations, to local and international regulations. Honestly, many people in this field don't have enough acumen in the legal area, because we're mostly ex-auditors, mostly focused on business, on finance, on operations. But in the law, we fall back a little bit. So what made me choose this particular program is to strengthen my understanding of the legal realm. This program allowed me to study while working. It allowed me to manage my own time, to manage my input. I was able to dedicate specific times whenever I had free time, whenever, while traveling, while on the train, while in the cab, to work on these bite-sized assignments that we had. So this kind of flexibility really made my life easier when studying for this program. I was able to be exposed to IT law, which I had no idea about. I was able to be exposed to the legal mindset behind corporate governance. All my life I used to work with corporate governance, but I never knew how it originated. So it really gave me a lot of answers to things I was doing, quote unquote, blindly. It opened my eyes to things. It expanded my horizons in terms of mindset. It didn't dictate on me a specific track that I needed to follow. It gave me options as to what topics I wanted to choose. For instance, although I work in risk management, but I have great interest in human rights. And the program allowed me to explore human rights further through the human rights compliance course. And it also allowed me to have a dissertation in this topic, which tackled human rights abuse abroad. So I was able to link my experience with clients who faced such cases with research that allowed me to expand my knowledge of the human rights aspect, how human rights should be incorporated within ethical business practices, and what is I'd say the consequences, what are the consequences to corporations that don't apply these practices within their daily practices. Really dedicate enough time for this program. Although it's a very flexible program, but you won't be learning as much as you should if you don't dedicate enough time. You can easily finish the program with minimal effort, but you will not be gaining the satisfaction that you should be gaining if you don't dedicate enough time. Well, currently I am exploring career opportunities that allow me to incorporate the new knowledge more into my work. I'm honestly also considering shifting to academia, from risk management consulting to academia. So I'm exploring PhD programs, and I'll see where the road takes me after that.